Hi, my name is DatT, and this is my project 13. So this is my file structure. This is my main activity. This is my one of the additional activity that I use. This is my layout file. And this is another layout file. And this is my string file. And now we'll demonstrate the project. So I can click on the edit menu, the add menu, and the setting menu, and it will display in the bottom. And I can click on this for the snack bar. If I click on action, it will show the toast. I can toggle on and off for Kotlin or Java or C++, and I can toggle this, and I could toggle the switch. And that's it for my project 13. In this project, the additional feature that I added is that I can click on this edit text right here, and it will open up another activity, which is a calendar that I can scroll. And I can also select the start date and the end date. So here I'll select September 27th to, let's say, November 30th. And it will display the start date and the end date up here. And if I go back to my original activity, it will also display the result on here. And if I, let's say I select Java and C++ as an undergraduate, and I'll subscribe, and I'll hit submit, and all those information will show up here. And then let's say if I switch out, I'll change it to Kotlin instead, Kotlin, Java and C++ as a graduate, and I'll unsubscribe, and if I hit submit, and it will show those information up here. And that's it for my project 13. Thank you for listening.